Hi, today we are in BMW E87. I am going to show you how to remove radio. We have the business CD radio, but the same principle goes for the professional CD radio. If you have a navigation unit, you most likely have your air condition controls over here and navigation over here. I don't know if it's the same for that setup, but I will show you how to do it in this one. First that you need to do is remove this trim. In my car is aluminum, and it goes over here like this, and you should start to pry it over here. I will show you what are the points that you need to pry. As you can see, there are some pins over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one you can do it with your hand, or you can use a maybe not a screwdriver because you can bend the aluminum part of it, but you can try to use plastic prying tools which will break instead of the panel that you are trying to pry. So when you have this first clip undone, you can move along this edge, and when you have the third or fourth disconnected, the fifth one will go very easily. Look out for your head, because I myself was hit with this trim when the fifth clip was undone. Okay, so when you have this trim removed, you can remove the air condition. This is the climate control. I already showed you how to remove it in another video. You can check it in the description below, but basically you need to pry it over here and over here. Don't remove it yet, just keep it out of the lock, few millimeters from the edge. Then grab the panel from underneath. You have two clips over here, and when those are out, you can take the whole unit out. Thanks to that, you have access to those two screws. When you remove those two screws and there's no plastic trim above the radio, you can just grab it and slide it out. And when the radio is out, you have two connectors to disconnect. You have the radio connector over here, this is the antenna cable, and you have the whole bunch of cables over here. And to disconnect this, if I remember correctly, squeeze it over here and move it upwards, and then the connector is undone. This is how it looks, and there's a lock over here that you need to squeeze to undone this. And with those two removed, you can just take the radio, install a new one, or do whatever service you need. Maybe you need to guide some wires behind the radio. Anyway, you have the access to do it, and it's pretty simple. As you can see, you need to just pry few parts, remove two screws, and the radio is out. Okay, thank you for watching. Check my other tutorials about BMW, other cars, and give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. See you soon.